This AI is powerful, but it has a hidden flaw. And the problem isn't with the AI itself.
An AI model starts as an nth vessel. It has incredible potential, but it knows absolutely nothing about our world.
Its only source of knowledge, its only teacher, is the data we choose to give it. This training data is the fuel that shapes its understanding, its skills, and its entire perception of reality. But what happens if that data is incomplete? Let's train a simple model to recognize apples. We'll train it on a dataset of thousands of photos. But this dataset has a flaw. Every single apple is red. Now, when it sees a green apple, it makes a mistake. This is the core principle of AI. Garbage in, garbage out. This becomes a serious problem when it reflects the hidden biases in our own society. Imagine our training data for professions reflects historical stereotypes. What does the AI learn? It learns to associate these roles with specific genders, not because of truth, but because of the skewed data it was fed. In the real world, this can lead to unfair and discriminatory outcomes, from loan applications to medical diagnoses. So the AI isn't malicious. It's simply a mirror, reflecting the biases present in its data. The solution is to build better, more diverse, and more representative datasets from the very beginning. By training on balanced data, we can create AI systems that are fairer and more accurate for everyone. Building responsible AI is not just about writing better code. It's about being better curators of the knowledge we pass on. Where have you seen AI bias in the real world? Share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe to AI Academy for more.